That sounds serious.
Serious, a difficult time coming ahead for our friends down to the south, Lonnie.
Oh, boy, that is something to hear. That kind of terminology, verbiage, you know, unsurvivable. And listen, those of us in the weather community, we're all on board with this. The pictures that you just saw down around the Yucatan, keep in mind, first of all, the storm did not make a landfall. It actually shot right through the channel, allowing it not to weaken. And everything that you saw from that video, it's going to be multiplied by like 10 times because it's a Cat 1. This is expected to become a Cat 4 as it makes landfall somewhere here around the Big Bend. A Cat 4 would come on shore sometime late tomorrow night with winds 125, 130 miles per hour. Some gusts could be 140. Now, I think the winds would back down quickly once it starts to interact with the land, right? That's a lot of wind, though, coming on shore. Rainfall up to about a foot or so around landfall. Inland, where it's actually pulling in more tropical moisture, could be a foot and a half or so. And the storm surge, this is a number that you kind of shake your head at. 10 to 18 feet. 10 to 18 feet. I keep saying this is crazy when this land is so flat. This is very swampy right here, so you have no elevation. Putting 18 feet of storm surge, my God, I hope this does not happen. That's the picture right now that we're looking at for Florida. Now, when you watch the storm come on shore, okay, there's your eye. Notice the timestamp, 10:30. Right now, it's moving at around 9 to 10 miles per hour. It's got 425 miles to cover. If it's going to stay at 10 miles per hour, you can do that math pretty easily. That's 42 hours, right? Well, this is going to pick up probably twice as much speed as it makes its way to the Big Bend, barreling onshore, curving then inland to the north and west. So not our storm. This is not coming to the northeast. But look at some of these showers that are offshore. This is Friday at 8 p.m. As this sits and spins, it's now pulling in added moisture. Look, it's from the Atlantic, right? And it's bringing it in to some of the areas south of New York City. I would not be surprised. And I've changed the forecast now for Friday, Saturday, even Sunday. I think Helene is that powerful a storm. Even when it's no longer a tropical system, it's a remnant low. I think it's going to give us a chance for some rain now into the weekend. This is what we see outside in our area. Cloud cover, yep, we've had it all day long, 65 degrees. You wake up tomorrow morning, 63 in the city, 55 in Monticello, 61 out around the Hamptons, 77 with a shower chance tomorrow. Could be a rumble of thunder, but you're 77, 5 to 10 degrees warmer. So a couple of little showers out there right now. A better chance is going to be tomorrow. Now, the risk for severe weather, not so much. It's more just like your average thunderstorm, but they could be kicking in wherever you see this yellow, orange, or even red color. I think Thursday, hey, it's got some rain to it, but it does not look to be damaging weather. I think the story for tomorrow is what is going to be hitting the Big Bend area of Florida. In our area, I do have Helene-related rain for Friday, Saturday, maybe even in Sunday. Look, I've covered these things for 25 years, right? And I've watched some monsters. This one is a Cat 1. Cat 1. Mm-hmm. Cat 4 going into that bite where there's nowhere for this water to go. I hope all these projections are wrong, guys. I hope they're wrong.
That's serious.
Thank you, Lonnie.